Welcome back to the Rat Rod Shop Wagon. Alright, so been working on my steering mechanism, and I got this piece here which will be like your handle like on a red wagon, and of course that gets bolted down. And then what it will be is not quite the Ackerman steering thing, because it's not going to be that precise. It's just going to be just like a go-kart, like this. Operate off of this. Let's see. We'll operate off this tongue in here. This will be connected to that rod in a way to make your steering function. And so that's about as far as I got with that, because I need some little couplings for here and here. I can't figure out what to do with that. So let's go on with the let's see, I'm going to make a little trunk lid for this, just because. So I have, remember we made the pattern, or you may not have caught that episode. I made a pattern for the trunk lid, and I'm going to put I think I'm going to put a little lock on it, so, you know, like I said, you're going to go to swap meets and things like that. It'd be nice to have a place that you could actually lock something up. You want to set something down, you're tired of carrying something. So here's our pattern. And I'm probably going to keep this. I could switch directions, but I don't have enough space, so I'm going to go with what I had. Put right up here. Tape it down. Remember, when you cut this out, stay on the outsides of the lines, outside of the line that you drew on here, because if you cut on the inside, it'll be too small. Plus, if you cut on the outside, if you make it, you don't like it, you can always shorten it up. Otherwise, you're going to be trying to add to it with welding rods, and that's no fun. See if I have another marker here. Looks like I do not. So, next best thing is to throw some tape on it. Here, markers, and I can keep you here and watch this for a while, but I don't think you want to watch all that. So this is pretty much where we are, and I'm not gonna hang you around for all the grinding and cutting, because nobody wants to hear that. We've all heard grinders and seen a welder's arc and that sort of thing. So what you do is just go ahead and work on your pattern. We'll work on that pattern and we'll get that thing looking just right. And we can get that cut out and we'll go from there. So I'll see y'all on the next installment of, or episode, or video, whatever you want to call it, of my shop Rat Rod.